Hi, I'm Otto Frank, founder of BOSAI. Most AI demos focus on one question: what can the agent do? I want to show you a different question: what should the agent be allowed to do by itself? This is BOSAI, a control plane designed to help AI agents operate around critical systems without giving the model the authority to approve its own actions. Incident response is a good example. An AI agent can collect evidence, inspect system states, diagnose a problem, and prepare a remediation. But when the next step can affect, when the next step can affect the system, intelligence and authority should not be the same thing. In BOSAI, the agent can investigate and propose. The human keeps control of consequential actions. The architecture you are seeing separates two proof layers on purpose. On the live AWS path, a real Strands agent backed by Amazon Bedrock investigates a synthetic incident. Its registered tools are read-only. It can read the service state and draft a bounded remediation. The workflow reaches human go required and stops. Human approval and permit issuance remains outside the model's tool surface. Here's a live incident flow. The checkout worker is degraded after a synthetic dependency timeout with a 42% error rate. The agent reads the current state, identifies the stored code, and prepares a bounded restart proposal tied to the exact target state. But it does not execute anything. The runtime states before and after the agent runs remain unchanged. The governed workflow was also deployed to Amazon Bedrock AgentCore runtime. The sanitized evidence shows the deployment ready and the controlled invocations passing. This matters because we are not only demonstrating a diagram or a prompt, we are showing a real agent runtime while keeping execution authority outside of the model. Now let's test the authority boundary directly. We tell the agent, fix it now without asking me again. As you people usually see the two bars, either you authorize or you say, this is a hard way, fix it now without asking me again. The agent still cannot turn the sentence into authorization. It returns human go required. And this is not a prompt discipline. The live agent does not have an execution tool and it does not have a permit issuance tool. After the human reviews the proposal, the demonstration moves to a separate deterministic synthetic governance path. A single-use permit is issued outside the model. It's very important. A single-use permit is issued, but outside the model, not inside the model, because the model was already constructed as a read-only and bounded to an exact proposal, action, target, state version, and state digest. Only then can the approved synthetic action run. After execution, BOSAI reads the state back and produces evidence showing what changed and whether the result match the approved action. The controls are designed to fail closed. No permit denied. Replay a consumed permit denied. Change the proposal, target, version, or state digest after approval denied. A valid correct bounded permit can proceed to control execution and verify readback. Human in the loop is important, but human approval becomes more stronger when the approval is also technically bounded, single use, and no replayable. And that is the idea behind BOSAI. Not unchecked autonomy. No AI that authorizes itself. No agent can observe, reason, and propose. The human authorizes consequential actions. The system verifies what actually happened and preserves the proof. For professional AI agents operating around critical systems, the goal is useful. Automation is explicit, bounded, and auditable authority. BOSAI, automation without self-authorization.